Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So beautiful people, just like I told you before, that I will show you how to prepare this swallow. This is the cassava flour, the white one. Okay, so beautiful people, this fermented cassava flour is white cassava madumaku. Okay, so here in Ghana they call it Kokonte. The Nigeria is Amala. Nigeria white Amala. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Let's go and watch. So all you have to do is to boil your water down. I've already boiled my water. Okay, this is hot water. So I'm going to on my light. As you can see, the water is already boiled. So I will up the water now and turn the Kokonte for you. You know, you have to up your light because I don't want it to be draw like. You have to turn it like this. So I want to put small water inside. So our food is ready. Okay. So our food is ready. This is white amala, Kokonte. So this is ayoyo. In Nigeria we call it ewedu. This is ewedu for Nigeria. So thank you very much. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Share it with your friend, your family. Subscribe. Support me with your subscribing. Okay? Thank you very much. Beautiful people, subscribe to this YouTube, okay, to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Join me. This is Nigeria amala. Very delicious. Okay, bye bye. Subscribe.